Hello everyone! In this video, we're going to take a look at scientific notation. Let's start off by looking at the speed of light, which is 300,000,000 meters per second, or 300 million meters per second. Now that's too many zeros to write each time we need to use this number. So scientists have developed a system known as scientific notation. It is the method of writing numbers in exponential form. In the example above, the 300 million meters per second would instead be written as 3 times 10 to the power of 8 meters per second. Notice that the units do not change. So there are two parts to scientific notation. The first part is a number between 1 and 10. Now there can be as many decimal places as you need, but the key idea is that there's only one digit above the decimal point. The second part is a power of 10 exponent, which we would read as 10 to the power of whatever number. So for the speed of light, we would read 3 times 10 to the power of 8 meters per second. Let's take a look at the exponents. Now, a positive exponent means that we're working with a large number, a number greater than 1, whereas a negative exponent means that we're working with a small number or a number less than 1. This exponent indicates the number of decimal places that we moved to arrive at the standard notation. Why don't we take a look at some examples where we're writing in scientific notation? For example, 17,000. That 1 and 7 is what we're going to write in scientific notation, but we're only going to write one digit above the decimal. And so the first part of our notation will be 1.7. Then we have to figure out how many decimal places we moved. In this case, we moved 4 decimal places to the left. So we're going to write times 10 to the power of 4. And since we have a large number, a number greater than 1, we're going to have a positive exponent. So 17,000 written in scientific notation is 1.7 times 10 to the 4. Let's take a number less than 1, 0.034, and we're going to place our new decimal so that there's one digit above the decimal. In this case, the decimal will go between 3 and 4. And so in scientific notation, part 1 is 3.4. Next, we're going to look at how many decimal places we moved to get to the new notation. In this number, we moved 2 decimal places to the right. And so we'll write times 10 to the 2. Since this is a small number, less than 1, we're going to have a negative exponent. So our final number will be read as 3.4 times 10 to the negative 2.